let's learn some fun words that start with the letter Q. Are you ready? Let's go! Q for queen. A queen wears a crown and rules a kingdom. Q for quilt. A quilt keeps us warm and cozy in bed. Q for quail. A quail is a small, cute bird. Q for quill. A quill is a feather pen used for writing. Q for quartz. Quartz is a shiny crystal stone. Q for question mark. A question mark helps us ask questions. Q for queue. A queue means standing in a line. Q for quokka. A quokka is a smiling animal from Australia. Q for quicksand. Quicksand is soft sand that can sink. Q for quiet. Quiet means no noise, very calm. Q for quiver. A quiver holds arrows for an archer. Q for quinoa. Quinoa is a healthy food grain. Q for quadrant. A quadrant is one part of a circle. Q for quilted jacket. A quilted jacket keeps us warm in winter. Q for quick means fast. Q for queen bee. The queen bee is the leader of the hive. Q for quicksilver. Quicksilver is another name for mercury.